We have been keeping a secret. Let's turn it on. Hey guys, welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. We are in the car. It is almost 12:30. We are back at the mall. We are taking Emmy back to that cool, I don't know what you'd call it. Park? It's not a park. It's a playground. Indoor playground that has all of those slides and the places, like the rooms that you can dress up in. She loved it. She had such a good time, so we are back doing that. Oakley is finally starting to like focus on things with his eyes and see things, so I put this, oh, it's all washed out. Sorry guys for that, but this little hanging, it's a fox, I think. He got it for his baby shower before he was born, but he's loving it. He's starting to focus on it. It's so fun, and he's starting to get little smiles. We love this guy. I also packed us all kinds of snacks, like healthy snacks. I gave Emerson, she's got some blueberries in there, oranges, carrots somewhere. And then I just had a bunch of those too. I had some carrots and some oranges. And I'm going to have this fig bar. We got them from Costco in like a huge giant box. But I'm going to have this for my kind of breakfast slash lunch. Hey, are you ready to go? Okay. Okay, let's go.
I'm ready. Down at the park, okay?
Come on, Emers. It's a baby doll. Hey, come on, let's go to the park. Go, go, go. Straight to the candy. Oh, it's so pretty.
Alright,
come on, go to the park. We came to Target really quick to look at some car seats that we're gonna buy from Bed Bath & Beyond, but we wanted to see them in person at Target. So we are here looking at car seats. We have two that we're trying to decide between. This is the Graco Forever, and it looks pretty nice.
The other one, I mean, it's no bigger than what we got. It's smaller, I would say.
Oh, I would say it's smaller than the one we got too. Oh, dang.
Oh, she loved that.
That reclines pretty good.
It's like now she can pretty much sit like that.
Yeah, and then when she's forward facing, then you would want it like that.
Yeah.
I don't know when we would switch her to forward facing. I like it.
Yeah, it's cute.
What do you think
It's got
though?
10 positions.
Oh my goodness. What do you think though compared to the other one? I mean, not that we've seen the other one, but like they don't have this one that this is our other option. They don't have it. It's the Graco Extend-A-Fit. They don't have it in store, but we're trying to decide between this one and the Graco Forever. I think we've decided to go with the Graco Forever because it goes all the way to a booster seat and the Extend-A-Fit does not. So I think we've made our decision. We're gonna go with the Graco. Hey, Emmy, what are you eating? Fruit and oranges. What's this? And what's this? Yummy. Is that good? We just got Chick-fil-A from the mall. Are you cute? Alright, I brought you guys outside so we could have a little chat. We have been keeping a secret for a little while now, and we are just now at the place where we feel like it is time to share it with everybody. And that secret is that we are moving again. So we have been in Charleston for a little over a year. It was a year in November. And We just don't feel like Charleston is the place for us right now. We love it so much. There's so much to do. But honestly, we're not even getting to appreciate and take advantage of all that there is to do in Charleston. And so we have decided that we are going to move back to Virginia. We gave Charleston a shot. I feel like Andrew and I both grew a lot. We discovered a lot about who we are as a couple and just what we want for our future and for our families. So we are so grateful that we got to be in Charleston for this year. But we just feel like as a family, the best place for us to be right now would be in Virginia, for a lot of different reasons. I love Virginia. I love the countryside, and I just think Virginia is a beautiful place. And it feels like home to me. I lived there for like 8 years, and so it just feels kind of like home to me. My family's there, a lot of my friends are still there, but also my parents are there, and at this stage in our life, we just kind of need help with the kids. Not that we can't handle it, but we just need help with the kids because Andrew and I are focusing so hard on our businesses right now, and we just need, you know, someone to help us with the kids, someone to help just burn some energy off of the kids so that we can really focus and buckle down, because now is the time in our lives that we need to do that in order to set up our futures, and have just the futures that we want, or the future that we want for our family and our kid. My parents are totally on board with that. They're excited that we're moving back, and they're really excited to kind of help us with kids and things like that. So that's one of the reasons we're moving. Another reason is we just need a bigger space. We live in a 2-bedroom apartment right now, a little over 1,000 square feet, and we're not on the first floor, and so it's just a lot of going up and down stairs. And Emmy has her own room. Oakley's in our room right now, but already that's starting to not work. I would love to get him in his own room just so he can sleep better for naps, better at night. I feel like all of us would feel a lot better if he could just be in his own room. We also kind of need an office space. We just generally need more space. That's us personally. I know there's a ton of people out there who live in small apartments with more people in their family, but just us personally, we felt like we needed more space. And Charleston's cost of living is really expensive, and Virginia's is not so much. So we just feel that all of those reasons outweighed any reasons that we would stay here, although I am gonna miss Charleston. I love it, but we are excited to move forward and really set ourselves up for the future. We feel like this is the next step that we need to take. But I wanted to share this with you guys because it's kind of a huge deal. We are going to be moving in January, so I think it's the second week in January. We're going to be moving, which is coming up here really soon. And yeah, I mean, I needed to let you guys know because we are going to start packing up here and all of those things, but plus I'm just excited to share that with you guys because you guys are very much a part of our lives, and I just felt like I owed it to you. So that is our big secret. Cat is out of the bag. We're moving back to Virginia in a month, and I'm really excited. I wanted to show you guys the diaper bag that we have been using for Emerson. So we have a separate diaper bag for Oakley, and then we have the one for Emerson. And this is it, and we absolutely love it. I think it's so cute. This is by Ryla. It's the Ryla pack, and we got the black one, and it has gold hardware on it. And the thing I love about this bag is that it's super just simple, which, I mean, it's in the title of my channel name. I just love simplicity, and I love things that are easy to use. It has a zipper in the front to put stuff in, and it also had these little cards in it when I first got it that gave you suggestions for things to put in each compartment. So it was like, this is the mom pouch for your lipstick and your sunglasses, and then on the side this is for bottles, and then on the inside, and then it gave you just ideas to put in each of these pouches. I thought that was really cute. But it has these little compartments. These are insulated, has this zipper, Has some pouches on the front side of the inside, and then pouches on the sides, and then 2 pouches on either of the outsides. And then, oh, there's even a zipper. I didn't even know about this one. There's a zipper on the back with a pouch. Oh, here, look. Here's an example of what I was talking about. So this is the tablet safe pocket. Oh, that is awesome. That is such a good idea. So that people can't like be reaching into your backpack while you're wearing it and you don't know about it. It's a great idea. Ryla did send this bag to me, and then they sent me the discount code. But honestly, they are the sweetest company, and they're like, we just want to send you this bag and you're free to do whatever you want with it. But they're a startup company. I love supporting startups, and I just wanted to share this because we absolutely do love this bag. So you guys can get 15% off using the code simply15.
Hi, friends.
Come here, come talk to your friends.
Hi, friends.
Come here.
Hi, friends.
No, come see them.
Hi, friends.
Hi friends, tell them what you're gonna get.
I'll get candy.
You're getting a piece of candy? Why?
I'll get the candy.
Because you talk to your friends?
Hi, friends. Hi, friends.
Hey, can you tell your friends good night?
Good night, friends.
Good night, friends. Say, I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow.
And say, Vlogmas
Vlogmas
Day
Day
5.
5.
Yay! Okay. No. I said blow them a kiss. Good job.